Do you want to know how to choose the best finance stocks that will grow your money for years to come? Stick around. I'm going to show you the stocks that can help you build a strong and stable portfolio. So before I go into it, this video is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. So many people worry about picking the right stocks to invest in. And it's easy to feel confused with so many options. But don't worry, I got some great tips to make it easier for you to invest in finance stocks. And it's a very smart way to grow your money over time. Today I'm going to share some of the top picks, okay? So here are 5 finance stocks that are perfect for long-term investment, okay? You got big banks like JPMorgan Chase. They're a solid choice with a history of success, okay? You got Berkshire Hathaway. They have a reputation for making smart investments, okay? Visa, a leader in payment processing and is growing quickly still. MasterCard also offers strong returns and continues to improve. American Express has been a top player in the credit card world for years. So listen, now it's your turn. Start researching these stocks. Take control of your financial future today. And listen, if you like this little video, if you got something out of it, leave me a like. I love you.